hope you all are having a great day. Today is another What I Eat in a Day, so come along with me. So I'm about to make my green juice. Usually I don't juice kale because it doesn't work well in my juicer. Like, it doesn't produce a lot. So let's see. Oh, I definitely taste the kale. It's a little different than I normally make mine because I usually don't include kale, and I usually include a Granny Smith apple, and sometimes with the pineapple. This has a definitely earthier taste. That's righty. It's time to make some food. So this wonderful black-owned company sent me this vegan pancake mix to try out, and I'm so excited. That's what I'm gonna have this morning. So it's called Barlow. It is from Atlanta, Georgia. Alrighty, and they have regular pancake mix, like how you can make it with like milk and stuff, but we ain't talking about that. We talking about the vegan ones. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Come on, focus. Thanks. Yeah, vegan waffle and pancake mix. I wish I had a waffle maker. Waffles are like one of my favorite foods ever, and I don't have one. I used to have one. Shout out to the old waffle maker gang. Let's make the pancakes. Let's make it. Mike Will made it for vegan waffles in these vegetable oil, vanilla, and brown sugar. I don't know if you'll be able to read this. Yeah, you can't. Anyway, let's do it. I used to rehearse my lines 1,000 times before I had them memorized. What's that? Do y'all remember when Patti LaBelle was like on Sesame Street and she was like singing the ABCs? It was like A, B, B, C, U, R, S, Q, R, S, T, U, V, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So now it is time to make the pancakes. Boys, we are the boys in motion. We give you our devotion. Boys, we are the boys in motion. We give you our devotion. Tell me what you're trying to hide. Tell me what you're trying to hide. I can feel the rhythm of your heart. Ooh, bubbles, booblies, booblies. I guess the songs that I'm singing in the comments. Yeah, I gotta guess which one. You gotta get the outtake. You can put the name or the artist. I don't care. I don't care. You can put the name or the name of the song or the artist. It's up to you. Y'all gotta guess in the comments what are the songs that I'm singing. Some of these are deep cuts. To have something if you wanna be with me. Oh, life is too serious, love's too mysterious. A fly girl like me, the security, there ain't nothing going on but the rent. Hey, you got to have a J-O-B if you wanna be with me. No romance without finance. Hey, we said no romance without finance. Next time you come my way, I know just what to say. What's the lyrics? Hey, for what minute? Hey, girl, I want to know what you're Alrighty, here are the pancakes. You know, the funny thing is about me, I'm not the biggest fan of pancake syrup. I don't put a lot on. I don't drown it. I usually just put a taste. But like if I cook them in like some butter or something and it has the flavor, I just kind of eat them. Breakfast, 2 pancakes. Let's taste out Barlow. I like it. You see me with my glasses. Yeah, see me? Alrighty, so it's dinner time. It's pretty late. I'm about to wash my hair and also do some work for the rest of the night. But I just wanted to show you my dinner before I go. So I'm eating my bourbon tofu and broccoli recipe that I made. It's pretty yummy. It's also pretty easy. And I'm about to chow down on this before I get to the shower. But this concludes the rest of my video. So I'm about to go and do whatever I'm about to do for the rest of the day. I told you I have to shower and I got some more work to do. But I'm happy that you all came and watched the video and spent some time with me. If you like what you see, alright, make sure you subscribe and hit that like bell and that notification. I said like bell. Yeah. Little hair. Oh no. We getting like little hairs right here and stuff. Be picking with my face at times. Don't mind me, don't mind me, don't mind me. But I'm glad that you all came and spent some time with me. Okay, and if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, alrighty, and hit that like